Hello gentlemen, how are you? Today I will discuss perform engineering measurements. Welcome to my channel. I have made this presentation for you. It will be easier and you will understand easily through this presentation. Kindly subscribe my channel. Thank you. Let's go. What is length? I have defined here. Length can be defined as the distance between 2 points. What is perimeter? Perimeter is the distance around the outside edge of a shape or area. Through this example, you can understand. Here, this is a formula how to calculate the regular pentagonal perimeter. We'll add all the sides. What is perimeter? Perimeter of the circle is called circumference. The formula of a circumference equal to 2 pi r, where r is radius, d is diameter. This is an example. Circumference equal to 2 pi r. So here 2 into pi, the constant value 3.14 into 3.5, the radius is 3.5. we will multiply this, we will get 31.98 centimeter. Perimeter formulas we have here. For a square, the formula is that square, circle, rectangle, trapezoid, rhombus. You can check from here. What is area? Finding the area. To work out the area of a rectangle, multiply its length, the longer side, by width, the shorter side. So length into breadth, or width, length into width equal to area. In this figure, 4 inch by 3 inch rectangle. Each little square is in the inch square, so that area equal to L into B, 4 into 3 equal to 12 inch. The formulas: area, how to calculate area of plane shapes. Square area equal to L square, rectangle L into width, triangle half into B into H, breadth into height, parallelogram B into H, area of a plane square. Here all the sides is 5, 5, 5. So formula is area equal to side into side. So here it is given 5 into 5 equal to 25 meter square. Rectangle, area equal to length into breadth. It will be width 4, length 8. Multiply, we will get 32 centimeter square. Area equal to 2 pi r, 2 into 3.14 into 4, we will get this. Area of triangle, half into B into H. What is a sphere? A sphere, a round solid figure with every point on its surface equidistant from its center. How to calculate surface area of a sphere? Surface area equal to 4 pi r square. This is the formula. You can check here. How to calculate cylinder? A cylinder is a three-dimensional object that consists two sides joined together the form of round column. Here the formula of surface area of a cylinder 2 pi r bracket r plus h bracket close. Calculating the surface area of a cylinder. Same formula 2 pi r plus h. Different formulas how to calculate volume. Cube, cuboid, cylinder, sphere, cone. Here how to calculate cube volume. We have a formula L into L into L. Here how to calculate cuboid volume. L into length into breadth into height. Here how to calculate sphere volume. 4 by 3 pi r cube. Through this formula we can calculate. Here how to calculate cylinder volume. Volume equal to pi r square h. Here how to calculate cone volume. Volume equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. These are decimals: 10, tens, ones, tenth. Decimals relating to our donating a system of number and arithmetic based on the number 10, 10th part of a power of 10th. Fraction, a fraction or a fraction number is used to present part whole number. Percentage, a percentage is a number or ratio expressed as a fraction of 100. This is fraction, decimal, percentage. Fraction, percentage, decimal. Conversions. And check the example. You can see here I made all the examples. You can easily understand. You can see 1 by 4 into 100 by 1, like this. You will understand it easily. It is very easy. Try to calculate yourself. And percentage to decimal. How to calculate percentage to decimal? See the examples and try to solve. Fraction to decimal. See the examples and try to solve yourself. Decimal to fraction. Ratio and proportion. It's very easy. You can pause the video and easily try to solve these mathematics and examples. Thank you. Thanks a lot. If you have any questions, you can understand. If you have any question, kindly write in the comment box. Thanks a lot.